welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and today's video we're going to be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for February 2020. Before we go ahead and get started, I just wanted to let you all know, if you are new to my channel, that I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is Niminis.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious and want to check it out. If not, that's okay too. Let's go ahead and get into the box. While I'm doing that, if you like the video, go ahead and hit like. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. I know that about 60% of my viewers are not subscribed. I don't know why. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And the book's falling. Anyway, there's a little book in here. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is what it all looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the book. It looks like there is some interesting things in here. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to start pulling things out. If you're not aware, Allure, I believe, is $15 a month, I think, plus tax. So whatever the tax is in your state will be what you get charged for tax. But I think I pay $15.90 a month because I have 6% sales tax in my state. So let's go ahead and pull this out first. This is from Believe. It's the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. And it looks like it's like a one-time use. Says not for individual sale. It doesn't say how much. Oh, a third of an ounce. 10 milliliters, a third of an ounce. It says after moisturizer, apply a thin layer evenly across your face, leave on overnight, and rinse off in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask, and you could have either gotten this or the Belief Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. So this mask is an extension of Belief's popular Aqua Bomb line and shares a star ingredient with its anchor product, the True Cream, Lady's Mantle, an antioxidant-rich herb popular for calming redness, used since medieval times by European women, according to the description. This formula also includes Scottish heather, also known as Kaluna, another proven skin soother. The result is the equivalent of chasing an Ativan with a glass of wine, but for your skin. Any redness recedes and roughness reverts to baby levels of smoothness. I woke up with skin as clear as that of a young and healthy medieval European woman. One thing, the mask is not particularly hydrating, which is why I recommend layering it under your moisturizer. It is called a sleeping mask, but none of its ingredients suggest it can only be worn at night. Wear it at any time. From Brennan Kilbane, senior writer, the price for a full size, which this is absolutely not a full size, is $34, and you can get it at Sephora.com. All right, let's go ahead and pull this item out right here. It is a brush from NYX. I love getting brushes in my beauty boxes. I don't think I own a single NYX brush. Oh, that is super soft. I like that. That feels really, really nice. I bet you that this looks to me either like a contour brush, a blush brush, or maybe even a powder brush. So let's see. This is the NYX makeup brushes. Your box contains one of these three NYX brushes. So you can see there are three of them. I have the first one that's the highest, I guess. The one that's the highest on the page. That's definitely the one that I have. So I cherish my makeup tools like they are my children, and nothing compares to the blending abilities. I love my children and my dogs more than my makeup brushes. To the blending abilities of NYX's Pro Powder Brush, Pro Contour Brush, and Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. So I think this is the powder brush, which makes sense. I could see definitely using this as a powder brush. I'm pretty sure. Doesn't say on it, does it? No, it says O2. Whatever that one is. Their synthetic bristles, as soft as a puppy's ears, creates... No, they're not. No. I have two puppy dogs. Their ears are softer than this. I love my puppy dogs. Anyway, create a seamless finish that my fingers just can't. The Pro Contour Brush, which is the center one, I did not get that, is the most versatile of the bunch. When you swirl the tiny, fluffy, rounded brush in tight circular motions, foundation, concealer, and contouring products become airbrushed. The Pro Multi-Purpose Brush, which is the right, which is again not this one, is amazing for depositing and smoothing pigments onto skin. The bristles are densely packed in a larger, rounded shape to blend in foundation with more intensity than a fluffier version. And the Pro Powder Blush, left, which is this one, is my favorite for blush and highlighter. From From Devin Abelman, Digital Beauty Editor. The prices are $14 to $17. NYXCosmetics.com. Enter Allure NYX at checkout to receive 20% off of your purchase. Exclusions to apply from February 1st through March 31st. There you go. I'm not opposed to brushes, and it is very soft. Not as soft as my puppy dog's ears, but it is very soft. All right, let's pull this out next. This is from Wonder Beauty. Okay, this is the Wondrous Glow After Hours, and it's taped shut. There we go. All right, that is really pretty. It is a highlighter. You guys can see that. Let me find it in the book. All right, so this is the Wonder Beauty After Hours highlighter. Back when I was a budding beauty editor, highlighter wasn't a thing. No, really. Take the Allure Best of Beauty Awards, a barometer of the beauty culture if ever there were one. In 2002, there was no highlighter category. 10 years ago, one winner. Last year, 6. Liquid, gloss, cream, stick, powder, and palette. Highlighter has become a makeup basic. My glow-making arsenal has grown to include many options, but I always come back to powders. I find them the easiest to control and they stick around. My most favorite is Wonder Beauty's After Hours. The shade is a silvery pearl that glints off the planes of my face without looking greasy. Wonder's whole MO is easy and on the go, and this formula is no exception. On harried mornings, most mornings, I rub a finger over the silky powder and tap it along my cheekbones, curving up and over my temples. Usually there's just enough left to press into the inner corners of my eyes, and suddenly, good morning. It's a surefire wake-up call and the highlighter of my day. And that's JB Jenny Bailey, the Executive Beauty Director. Price is $30, wonderbeauty.com. Enter WB Allure at checkout to receive 20% off of your purchase from February 1st through March 31st. My hair is tickling my ear. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this on, but I'm going to use my brush. I do actually have my highlighter brush here, and I do have a highlighter on already, but that's fine. We're going to go ahead and put more on. It's all good, and see how this looks. I can tell the difference right away. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. You might be too far away. The highlighter that I have on is a little bit more of a golden tone, and this one is more of like a pearl color? Is that what it said? What color did it say? I can't find it easily. It's fine. It's pretty. I like highlighter. This is more bright than the highlighter that I had on, so that works just fine for me. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out next. So this is from Bare Minerals. This is the Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. This is not a full size. That's fine. I don't think anything that I got today is a full size. So that is what it looks like. It's just a little pump. I don't think it's focusing for you guys. Sorry about that. All right, so this is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. My face has always been pretty good at enduring winter, but this year it was as if my skin thought the world was ending. Sallow yellow invaded pink undertones. The bounce in my cheeks gave way to harsh redness. Makeup lost its ability to stick. I was itchy and tight and puffy. Using this watery serum between the toning and moisturizing steps in my twice daily routine proved to be the extra kick of hydration and anti-inflammation I needed, but just wasn't getting from my creams, masks, and other serums. I reach for it every day now, not only for the summery glow it provides, but also for its citrusy floral scent. From Nicola Dallison, Digital Staff Writer. The price is $58. You can buy it at bareminerals.com/allure. Enter More Beauty at checkout to receive 15% off your purchase. Excludes customizable kits. Offer valid from February 1st through March 31st. All right, I'm actually kind of excited to give that a try. Definitely excited to give that a try. So I don't know why I put it back in the little package. Whatever. Something's wrong with me. All right, let's go into, there's 2 items left. And actually there's 3 items in here. So this is just a little sample. It's on the back of the book. Sometimes they do throw these in here. This is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. Go ahead and pull this out. There's no information in the package about it. This bothers me. It really does. I hate it when they send so much, but like, why not just send this? You know what I mean? Like, why put this much packaging on here? And it actually does show on the back the actual size. I don't mind that it's a tiny little sample. That doesn't bother me. It's the amount of packaging that they put to give you this little sample. So it's fine. There is a coupon in here for $3 off a purchase of Regenerist facial moisturizer. So there's the retinol 24 and then the whipped version. I've actually bought the whipped version before. So, all right, that's a nice little thing to get as a little bonus. But again, I just don't like that much packaging. Just put this in here. You know what I mean? Or just put that and the little coupon in there if you want to put the coupon in, which is, it's nice. So, all right, I'm going to pull this out here. It is a face mask from Super Beauty Mask. There it is. So the book says it is the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask. The first thing I noticed about Honey Jarrett's Super Beauty Sheet Mask, the appealing pink lemonade shade. Next, the scent. Strong, but not offensively so. Reminds me of the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Infused with rose and tea extracts, the formula's texture is lightweight and slick, but not wet, making it easy to forget it's even on. I kill time by reading about how honeybee swarms use collective decision-making to scout a new hive location, a fitting topic given Honey Jarrett's name and the brand's commitment to clean beauty. The timer rings, I remove my sheet mask, and voila, I have a newly refreshed and rejuvenated complexion. So that's from Sam Escobar, Digital Editorial Director. Price is $3. You can buy it at honeyjarrett.com. That's HONEYJARRET.com. Enter Allure 30 at checkout to receive 30% off your purchase from February 1st through March 31st. All right, and there is one more item in here, which is right here. It is a lipstick from Appeal. It's the Ultra Cream Lipstick. I do already have lipstick on, but let's go ahead and put more on. Why not? This is the Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse. Well, I'm trying to get this open. This lipstick is more of a rose than a nude. What the heck does nude mean anyway? It doesn't say heck. But it's not a rose in the wild. This is an aspirational rose, a brownish rose that looks regal, a glossy color that swipes on easily and blends. Sorry, I'm trying to get it open. It doesn't want to come undone. There it goes. Lending a tint of color without any opacity. Opacity? This color elevates without disguising. It's a natural, it's not a glamour red or a flirty pink, a serious brown or a playful violet or a blue. The shade is more essential. This color has already measured the dimensions of your bag and made room next to your wallet and keys. It will be a staple. From Cotton Candina, Senior Beauty Features Editor. Price is $21. You can get it at appealcosmetics.com. Promo code Allure20 at checkout to receive 50% off your purchase from February 1st through March 31st. And it is definitely a full-size lipstick. So should I put it on over top of this one? Let's swatch it first. How about that? That's all right. I'm going to go ahead and just actually put it on over top of this, see what it looks like over top of the darker red or mauve. With the darker mauve underneath, it's definitely darker. I don't know. It's not bad. We'll see how it feels after a little bit of time goes by. Anyway, that is the entirety of my Allure Beauty Box. Let's go back over everything I got. I got a sheet mask, the brush, the highlighter, the lipstick, which I think the lipstick is the only thing that is full size because I'm pretty sure the highlighter, given what it looks like here and what the book makes it look like, I'm pretty sure this is not a full size, but that's fine. The lipstick is a full size, I'm fairly certain. The Aqua Bomb sleeping mask, and then the serum. Overall, I'm not terribly upset about this. I do like, oh, and then the retinol. I do like the brush, the highlighter. I do think the lipstick's okay. I'm excited to try the serum. The sheet mask, you know, whatever. And the sleeping mask, the Aqua Bomb sleeping mask, I will definitely give a try as well. So, Overall, I'm pleased with this box. I think it's just fine. It's not my favorite Allure box. I seem to be saying that a lot this month, that my boxes are not the favorite of the ones I've gotten, but it's not a bad box. So anyway, that is it for my Allure box for February 2020. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate anything you guys want to share with me, tell me, whatever. It's fine. You don't have to put anything. That's fine too. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.